So welcome to the north end of Kata, Phuket. And what I thought I'd do today is make my way a little bit north, and I'm actually going to Karon. And you can see what that beach looks like, and it's really pretty. And then kind of see some scenes along the way, and once we get inside there in Karon. But for now, check out this area and where I'm at. Got a Starbucks. Haven't been in there. And if you keep following this road, it'll actually bring you into Kata Beach. But not today. Today is all Karon Beach. And it's a very easy walk, and I'll kind of tell you how long it takes to get from one beach to the other. Roughly around 15-20 minutes, and you're there. And you come across this, you know, the main road, which runs behind both beaches. And this is pretty busy here with all the traffic, because really it's the only road, except for there's another road that's actually right behind Karon. It's another road, so we'll check this one out because it's near. So this is what you're gonna find. Let's say right here, this is almost to Karon. And you have these like little mini hotels around. These are not actually on the beach, but you can rent them out. A place called the Sereno. It looks like a seafood place. Pizzeria. I bet you they have some pretty good pizza in there. Maybe some of that old fire-baked pizza in the oven. It's a very windy day today. So it's a Sunday, so it's kind of slow today, I guess. I mean, it's high season around here. So the other day, I was here for New Year's, and I went over to Batam, which is about, it's like 25 minutes from right here in Kata. And I went there, and I got there early so I could see what, you know, how things are around sunset, and then kind of. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good.
How's your day going? Pretty good?
We start just now.
Oh yeah? Sell any shirts yet?
No, the day is good.
Yeah, the day is always good, you know. When you wake up every day, it's good.
Nice suit.
I know. I don't need one today, though. Maybe I'll look you up later. Thanks, man. A lot of suit salesmen, but I don't really need a suit right now. But getting back to it is I went over to Batam, got the sunset, and then stayed all the way through until almost 1 in the morning. Just kind of seeing how things are going there, and it was really a lot of fun. Now, I actually put a video together on that, and I made a little note in the video, because actually it has a lot more music than I normally like to put in. That's because there's a lot of copyright music, you know, behind, you know, which Google or YouTube will flag, so I won't be able to monetize the video. So I had to put a lot of my own music in there to cover it up. So I'm not a big music guy on the vlogs, but that one had to do something. And I wanted to really show the you know, how they set up the stage, and you know, it's really kind of cool. See a lot of this is a souvenir street almost, all up and down here. Okay, this is the south end coming up here of Karon. See how quick it is to get here. Now, although Karon is a very big beach. Just came over from there. And I'm gonna go over here and I'll just kind of show you the south end of this beach. Plus I'm gonna walk in between the trees a little bit on the way up north. But look how beautiful that is. Even from the trees, it's so nice. The water's color is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, you got this little walkway down over here. Look at this. The wind is really something today. Okay, so this is the south end on a windy day. A lot of beach here. We'll kind of walk up the road a little bit. Stay on the inside, kind of get away from the sun, and you can actually see Big Buddha from here, kind of a little bit, not with this camera though. There it is, overlooking Phuket, at least down here on the south end. Yeah, it's kind of prettier inside here. Not a bad beach. Probably if you come to this one is not as, although it looks congested, it really isn't, because it's, you know, much larger. Just had some good wind coming through here now and it just stopped. Now when you go around there you will run into Kata Beach. So obviously the road is the only way you're going to get here. But to get from one beach to the other, from Kata, only about 15 minutes. That's if you're on the north side of Kata. If you're on the south side, give yourself an extra 10-20 minutes. But you're there. So very simple to get from one place to the other down here. Now you can take these long tails out. You can rent them. There's some nearby places that you can visit. I think it's a Nui Beach, which is a little bit south. That's a really nice beach to visit. And the only way you can really get down there is if you have a four-wheel drive or take a boat over or walk. Although it take you a while to walk down the hill. It's about 2 kilometers down. I've actually done it in the past, but it's a very challenging hike, to say the least. Especially when you're coming back, although you can easily, you know, get on a ride and go, you know, it'll take you back from Nui Beach back to the main road where you're parked at, or you can get a so as you know, this is actually peak season here in Phuket. It doesn't really get any busier than this. I believe after this it'll start kind of dwindling down a little bit, but I don't think you're gonna actually notice it that much. Now it used to be, I think they didn't have beach chairs go all the way up and down. They used to have like zones, but I think they just kind of forgot all about that. Maybe they just do that on high season or something. I don't know. This long tail boats right here. The one I was talking about And I will show you where I am at right now. I am right here. Well, and see, it's very near. Although Batang is quite a ways, you would not be able to walk there. It would take you quite a while, but a lot of these beaches will run you about maybe 4,000 baht to get you there. And looks like they got some pretty good shade to keep you comfortable during your transit. They assign a liability form on. Now, it used to be they just hook you up and send you up. Maybe that's for the jet ski. 30 minutes will run you about 2,000 baht. Use one of those jet skis. Let's see, we'll head back up on the road, get out of the sun for a while. Walkways right over here. You can see these beach chairs go all the way back. So you got a good taste of the beach there. Get back up on the back side of the road. Back up on the main road, and if you actually go down this road right there, it'll bring you to another road on the other part of Karon. So Karon is actually a pretty big place, but this is actually the best part of it. It's a good walk too. All these big resorts all up and down this whole beach area. I'm gonna head inside pretty soon. Get out of the sun for a while. Kind of like hiking on the inside of the tree area. So actually not a bad area right here. You know, you can actually set up a hammock right on the inside of these trees. A little less congested. Still so pretty. Hard to get away from these beach chairs though. They're just everywhere. Make a walk further north. This is probably right around the middle of Karon Beach. Taking that walkway for a while. Go down and check it out. They got this nice little walkway it runs along. Let's see. A little bit congested here. Sorry, Cup. Yeah. Got a nice area back here. A little bit busier than the one I just came at. But we'll go down and take a look at it. See how it goes. This is the backside. Very nice. Got some good shade back here. Got a fruit stand over there. Called the Karon Plaza. It's kind of like your eating place and souvenir place at the same time. That's what it looks like. Loaded up with restaurants. We'll take a walk around and see what it's like. $1.50. But a kilo for mangoes, which is a little bit high here, obvious. See these open air places. Swaddy Cap. So this is all souvenir back here. Everything. One big bazaar. That's all it is. Not really the most interesting place to visit, but part of the walk today. I think they're open pretty much all the time. I won't go through there. I've seen enough of the bazaar. And then you have the little restaurant on the outside. Swaddy Cup. How are you? All right. Yeah, I was go inside.
Inside.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, here, inside.
Okay. So how about right here?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Better.
Okay. Okay. Can you give me a mango shake?
Yes.
One mango shake. No sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar. No. Okay. So before I move on, I'm down here at these little restaurants that are right off of the north end here on the road. And I thought I'd pick up a mango shake, and pretty nice and comfortable. But there it is right here. They even put an orchid on the top. How about that? Now, whenever I get these mango shakes, I don't ask for sugar, so it's just plain up ice and mango. Got to do without that extra sugar. I mean, it makes it sweeter, but if the mangoes are sweet already, it still tastes really good. So. I just got a video of these coconuts right there. That's a good backdrop.